Hey, all you backyard train fans, it's Labor Day 2025. I'm down here at the Willoughby Railroad doing a little quick video. They let me know they got some new cars from the Cabin Fever auction so they could make their train a little bit longer. So I thought I'd come down and do a short video with a couple extra new cars. Nice train. Coming into the station. Stop, pick up some passengers, get some water. Oh yeah, it lines up good. Okay, here we go. Nothing better than a day of running some trains. A little windy today, feels good. So again, I don't know if anybody's watched the previous video of the layout. There is an extension that's being added on here, and it's going to turn into a storage area. Again, this is a 20-foot long extension. It'll be 3 tracks with storage. Got a couple cars sitting there just kind of looking what it might be looking like. And that's about it. So hope you enjoyed the video, and hope to see you trackside. Where's the train at? It's way down there. Way down there. Coming around slow.